Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to enable case sensitivity for text field type in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both edition, in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org, and this is my Salesforce Lightning code. And here we are learn how to enable case sensitivity for text field type in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that. And under this gear icon, we can see there are two options present. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option and our setup page is open, and under this page we can see two tabs are present, that is present on the name bar, and here we are selecting the object manager tab, and our object manager page is open, and under this page we can see loads of objects are present, and here we want to select the contact object. So for selecting the contact object, we enter the contact in the search box, and our contacts comes at the top, and here we click on the contact object, and our contact page is open, and under this page we are seeing the detail related to the contact object, and the on the left side there's a detail section present, and under this section we can see fields and relationship option. Click on this option, and our fields and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see lots of fields are already created, and here we are selecting the text data type field, and search the text data type field, which is a email field. So we click on this email field, and our contact custom field email page is open, and under this page we can see custom fields definition detail related to the email is shown, and here we want to edit this field because we make this field as a case sensitive. So we click on the edit button, and our email page is comes into the edit mode, and here we want to edit anything we want, and we scroll to the bottom of the page, and under this page we can see there is a general options section present, and under this section we can see lots of the checkbox are present, and here we want to make this field case sensitive, so that's why we click on the unique checkbox, which do not allow the duplicates. If we click on the case insensitive, it treat like capital ABC and the small ABC as a duplicate value, which is a case insensitive. If we click on the treat capital ABC and small ABC as a different value, which is a case sensitive. So this time we want this field as a case sensitive, so we click on the case sensitive checkbox. So after clicking on the checkbox, we click on the save button to make this field case sensitive. Now we come back to our contact custom field email page, and under this page when we scroll to the bottom, under the general option section we can see our unique checkboxes checked, and after that we click on the fields and relationship option again, and we come back to our fields and relationship page, and under this page we can see our email field which has a text data type, and this time it show unique case sensitive. Now let's move ahead and discuss about how to enable case sensitivity for text field type in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly move to our classic version. For moving to our classic version, we click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture, we can see there is an option present, switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. After clicking on the switch to Salesforce Classic option, we come to our classic version. And here we want to enable case sensitivity for text field type. So we click on the username drop down arrow, and under this drop down list we can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option, and our setup page is open, and under this page on the left side there is a quick find box present, and we enter the object in the quick find box and then click on the drop down arrow of the customize, and under this customize we can see there is a create option present, and under this create option we can see there is a objects present. Click on this objects and our custom objects page is open, and under this page we can see lots of objects are already created, and here we want to select the customer portal object, so we click on the customer portal object and our customer portal page is open, and under this page we can see the custom object definition detail related to the customer portal, and when we scroll to the bottom, and here we see there is a custom fields and relationship section, and under this section we can see there is a username with a text data type present, and here we want to make this field case sensitive. So that's why we click on this text field. So click on the username and our customer portal custom field username page is open. Now we want to make this field case sensitive. So we click on the edit button and our username field comes into the edit mode, and when we scroll to the bottom of the page we can see there is a general option section present, and under this general option section there is a unique checkbox present. When we enable this checkbox, it automatically check this field case insensitive. This is a treat ABC and ABC as a duplicate value. But we want to make case sensitive, so we click on this checkbox, which is treat capital ABC and small ABC as a different value, which is a case sensitive value. So after clicking on this checkbox, we click on the save button. And after that, we come back to our customer portal custom field username page. And under this page, when we scroll to the bottom, we can see under the general section option, we see our unique field is checked. And when we come back to the customer portal, our customer portal object page is open, and under this page we can see there is a custom field and relationship section present, and under this section we can see there is a username which has a data type text, and this time this make unique case sensitive. So with this, we have learned how to enable case sensitivity for text field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.